Hello, little one. Once upon a starry Christmas Eve, as the world hushed in anticipation of the magical night, the clock was ticking towards midnight, and it was time for all the enchanting Christmas friends to bid each other good night. The diligent Christmas elves were finishing their last toys. Tired but happy, they gathered around the twinkling Christmas tree. The tree, adorned with shimmering lights, swayed gently as if singing a lullaby to the workshop. Good night, dear elves. A little Christmas bunny named Benny was finishing up his task of organizing the colorful ribbons and bows. With a yawn and a stretch, Benny snuggled into a pile of soft wrapping paper, bidding good night to all its toys. Good night and sweet dreams. Rudolph, with his bright red nose, had guided Santa's sleigh with grace and warmth. Now, nestled in a soft bed of snow, Rudolph closed his eyes, and the gentle snowflakes danced around him. Good night, Rudolph. Your light has brightened our Christmas sky. A mischievous Christmas kitten named Whiskers was curled up beside the sack of gifts. With a sleepy purr, Whiskers closed his eyes, saying goodnight to the sleigh and the jingling bells. Good night and sweet dreams. The Christmas angel, with her wings glistening like freshly fallen snow, descended from the top of the tree. Good night, sweet angel. The angel fluttered her wings before drifting into a peaceful sleep. A wise old owl named Oliver had been keeping watch over the festivities. His eyes, as bright as the stars, were now growing heavy with sleep. Good night, wise old owl. In a cozy gingerbread house, the gingerbread man, having rolled and baked throughout the day, finally settled into a sugary dreamland. Good night, Gingerbread Man. Your sweetness has made this Christmas special. The toy soldier, who had stood guard over the presents, now stood tall in a toy box, his tinny armor glinting in the soft glow of the room. Good night, brave soldier. Amidst the festivities, a mischievous Christmas mouse, having observed the holiday magic, scampered into a cozy corner. Good night, little mouse. Finally, Santa, having completed his worldwide journey, found a snug spot next to a roaring fireplace. Good night, Santa, until next year's Christmas magic. As the clock struck midnight, all the Christmas friends were nestled in the warmth of their dreams. And so, as the stars twinkled overhead, The enchanting dreamland of Christmas embraced everyone in its sweet, slumbering magic. And as you, dear little one, close your eyes tonight, may your dreams be filled with the joyous laughter of Santa's helpers and the enchanting spirit of Christmas. Good night, sweet dreams.